Consumption of tobacco is injurious to health. We are hearing this regularly throughout our life. But how many people actually follow it? Hello everyone. I am Aishwarya, your news reporter of 232 channel. So, let's talk about tobacco consumption and its effect on health and how does tobacco cessation changes your life. Tobacco can be consumed in various forms like cigarette, bidi, gutka, jarda, etc. Nearly 60 lakh people die due to this practice. It is second major cause of death in the world. Now, let's ask several people why they started smoking. So, sir, why did you started smoking?
For me, it's stress buster. I feel relieved after smoking.
What about you, ma'am?
I started because of peer pressure. I thought it's cool as all my friends were smoking and it was easily available too.
Okay, thank you. Now, let's see the oral diseases related to smoking. They are oral cancer, gum diseases, tooth decay. Oral cancer is one of the most dangerous disease known to mankind. 3 in every 5 people die due to oral cancer, manifested with mouth pain, throat pain, difficulty in swallowing, white reddish patch inside the mouth. Small outgrowths may also be seen. Another issue a smoker faces is dental cavity. Dental cavity is nothing but a hole created on tooth due to various reasons. To avoid this, one need to brush twice a day and floss once a day using a fluoridated toothpaste. If you do this on daily basis, you can prevent dental cavity. Moving on to gum diseases. Unhealthy gums are bright red in color and are swollen in nature and usually tend to bleed while brushing. To avoid this, we need to brush twice and floss once daily. Apart from oral diseases, there are a lot of systemic diseases seen. Few of them are heart attack, breathing problem, infertility, hearing problems. Most of the people want to quit tobacco but are unsuccessful or do not know how to quit. You can reduce the intake slowly and keep target like a birthday and also reward yourself for accomplishing your goals. So here we have Dr. Mahi from NIMHANS who will explain you about tobacco cessation. Welcome to our channel, doctor.
Thank you. Assessing your nicotine dependence will help us to refer you the different resources available. After listening to your story, we will assist you to make a personalized plan for you, like setting a date to quit or gradually quitting it down. Then we would arrange a follow-up to evaluate your progress. Always remember, even a small progress is a reason to celebrate. Ask, advise, assess, assist and arrange. We call them 5 A's. We use for tobacco's cessation counseling and also 5 R's. Relevance, risk, rewards, roadblock and repetition to keep you motivated. Now let me tell you about the ways that can help you to quit tobacco for good. Avoid any kind of trigger that would stimulate you to smoke. Delay your tobacco craving by saying yourself to wait for 10 more minutes as much as possible. Give your mouth something to chew to fight your tobacco craving like sugarless gums, raw carrots, etc. Practice relaxation technique to deal with stress of resisting tobacco. Talk to your family members, friends and take support from them. Don't get tempted to have just one cigarette and fool yourself. Ask your doctor about nicotine replacement therapy available. Lastly and most importantly, remind yourself about benefits of quitting tobacco like decrease in respiratory problem, decreased risk of heart attack, decreased risk of oral cancer, increased quality of skin and increased immunity.
Thank you, doctor.
My pleasure.
So, you are not alone in this. You take a step and we will be ladder. There are various centers like NIMHANS, Piramal Swasth, etc. and many other rehabilitation centers. Even government is taking few steps like prohibition of advertisement of tobacco products, prohibition of smoking in public places, mandatory display of pictorial health warning on tobacco products packages. So, when everyone else is so conscious about your health, why ain't you? Make the commitment today itself. Quit tobacco or quit life. Choice is yours. You don't smoke your sorrow away. Rather, you smoke your life away. Come on, turn off your lighter. Quit smoking. Be a fighter. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Thank you.